In this video, I'll show you how to customize the controller layout in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. All you have to do is launch the game on your console and access the Call of Duty homepage, and then select Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Then press the menu button on your controller and then navigate to the settings wheel icon by using your R1 or the L1 button, and then scroll down and select controller. Now within the controller section, simply select edit button layout. And then first things first, ensure that the button layout preset is set to custom. So select that and then scroll down and choose custom. Now from here, now you can customize the buttons to suit your needs. So let's say if you want to change the jump button to another button, simply select jump. And then you'll press the button on the controller that you'd like to bind the jump button to. So let's say if you jump with a circle, you can select that. Now you can see a notification that has been swapped to the jump button. You can repeat the same process for interact. You can select that. And let's say if you're using triangle to interact with options, you can select that. If you want to fire a weapon, you can select that and use R2. If you want to aim down the sides, you can select that and choose any button on your controller that you'd like to use. So repeat the same process for all the other buttons. And once you're done, you can exit and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.